Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by Idioms Online. Rapport. Rapport. My videos are no nonsense and I take them very seriously, but it's important to me to develop a good rapport with my viewers. Therefore, I try not to take myself too seriously. Meaning of rapport. If two people or groups of people have a rapport, they have a good and harmonious relationship in which both parties trust each other and are able to cooperate and get along easily. If you have a rapport with someone, you have a friendly relationship with them, you understand them, and are able to freely communicate with them. Usage of rapport. Note that the T is silent in rapport. When the word rapport is the object of a phrase, the indefinite article a is usually used. For example, have a rapport, build a rapport, or establish a rapport. This is not absolutely necessary, however. Examples of how to use rapport in a sentence. Although she has a good rapport with her staff, she is able to command respect when the time comes. Successful TV shows often live or die on the rapport of their cast members. We have a good rapport with the other parents in the neighborhood. He is not known for his rapport with patients, but there is no better expert on infectious disease. I think you'll find that we all have a good rapport here, and we are thrilled to have you join us. He has an unusual rapport with animals. That's why he's such a great vet. I have a new therapist. There was nothing wrong with my old therapist, but I never felt a rapport with him.